Hello everyone! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Again, this is Teacher JM, and today we're going to discuss Summative Test Reviewer in English 2, Quarter 3, Week 1 to 2. Disclaimer: the information provided by the presenter on this video is for general informational purposes only, to help pupils to review for their weekly test or summative test. All information is provided in good faith. However, we make no representation or warranty of any kind, express or implied, regarding the accuracy, adequacy, validity, reliability, availability, or completeness of this information. Thank you. Directions: choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. What do you call the words we often see in reading and writing? A. Rhyming words. B. High-frequency words. C. Proper nouns. D. Gender nouns. The correct answer is letter B. Number 2. Which word rhymes with cake? A. Care. B. Rake. C. Rise. D. Face. The correct answer is letter B. Number 3. Which of the following is a common noun? A. Anna. B. Dr. Cruz. C. School. D. Manila. The correct answer is letter C. Number 4. Which is a proper noun? A. Cat. B. Mall. C. Juan. D. City. The correct answer is letter C. Number 5. What do we call words that replace nouns? A. Verbs. B. Pronouns. C. Adjectives. D. Prepositions. The correct answer is letter B. Number 6. What is the correct pronoun for Maria? A. He. B. She. C. It. D. They. The correct answer is letter B. Number 7. What kind of noun is the word teacher? A. Masculine. B. Feminine. C. Common. D. Proper. The correct answer is letter C. Number 8. Which word has a CVCE pattern? A. Jeep. B. Bake. C. Moon. D. Rain. The correct answer is letter B. Number 9. What is the meaning of the word neuter noun? A. Refers to a boy. B. Refers to a girl. C. Refers to something without gender. D. Refers to both. The correct answer is letter C. Number 10. Which set of words shows CVVC pattern? A. Meet, boat, rain. B. Pipe, rake, bake. C. Run, hop, sun. D. Hot, top, mop. The correct answer is letter A. Directions. Write if the statement is true or false. Number 11. A common noun always starts with a capital letter. The correct answer is false. Number 12. Words that rhyme have the same ending sounds. The correct answer is true. Number 13. He is used for boys and men. The correct answer is true. Number 14. She is used for animals only. The correct answer is false. Number 15. They replaces more than one person or thing. The correct answer is true. Number 16. Cake follows a CVCE word pattern. The correct answer is true. Number 17. The word school is a proper noun. The correct answer is false. Number 18. Policewoman is a feminine noun. The correct answer is true. Number 19. Desk is an example of a neuter noun. The correct answer is true. Number 20. The words C and B are rhyming words. The correct answer is true. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Teacher JM, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. You can also support our YouTube channel by clicking like button, sharing this video, and putting a comment for the content that you want us to cover. Again, thank you and see you next video.